In this lecture, I'll show you how to calculate bond price using Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel, first I display you the functional arguments required to calculate a price function. After that, using an illustration, I'll show you how to calculate the bond price. So to calculate price of a bond using Microsoft Excel, you need to use the function called price. So first we look at what are the parameters or arguments required for this price. Now to get the arguments, click on the function key here or insert function, click on this, then search for the function. Here our function is price. Type the price here and click on go. Now here your price function is there. Click on OK to select the arguments of the function. So function arguments, first one is the settlement, which says is the security settlement date, that is on what date you purchase the security. Then you have a maturity date, is the security's maturity date. So these two arguments should be in a date format. Then you have a rate, that is annual coupon rate paid on this security. Then you have a yield. Yield is a security's annual yield or yield to maturity. Then another argument is the redemption. Redemption is a security's redemption value per 100. Then you have a frequency. Frequency is the number of coupon payments per year, and the basis is how is that you are going to calculate the interest amount, that is actual days and annual days, or 360 days and 30 days in a month. So these are the arguments that you need to give as an input to calculate the price function. Here one thing is you need to keep in mind is when it is a redemption, redemption is the security's redemption value per 100 of the face value. So whatever the face value of your bond in Excel, you need to convert it into $100. So all the values, that is the face value and the current price, need to be equivalent to the $100. Now we'll see the example here. Consider a 30-year bond with an annual coupon payments. So we'll giving a date format here 02/02/2000. This is your settlement date or a purchase date. Then this is a 30-year bond, so your maturity date will be 01/02/2030. So I am giving here dates in an Indian date format, that is first is a day, then month, then year. Then the coupon rate on this bond is a 10%. So this point 0.1 is a 10%, and yield to maturity of this bond is 5%. So that is 0.05. Then redemption is 100%. So whatever the par value, it is redeemed then. And this is an annual coupon bond. So frequency is 1. Now to get the price of this bond, equal to price, this is a function, and your settlement date, here is a settlement or a purchase date, select this one. Then your maturity date, select the maturity date, place comma. Then a coupon rate, select a coupon rate, place comma. Yield to maturity, select this one, place comma. And redemption is 100%, select this one, place comma. Frequency is 1, select this one, place comma. And here you have a basis. So basis is 30 and 360 days, or actual to actual, actual to 360 days. So we consider actual to actual. So place 1 and close the bracket, press enter key. The price of this bond is $176.86. So this is how you need to calculate the price of a bond using Microsoft Excel. Thank you.